rear fender for Black Widow, and it just got here. There it is. Oh, this is about to be gorgeous. Yes, Lord. Got the wire harness in the back. We about to slide this new fender right there. All right, let's dig off in it. Our first order of business is to take these hips off. Let's strip it down. Go ahead and jack it up. It looks like it's 4 bolts. 1, 2 on the other side. I gotta take this off. My goodness, that took some finagling. Let's put the new one on. First, we gotta transfer the bolts from this one and slap it on to the new one. Let's slide this boy on here. Oh my God. That took a lot of finagling. We make it do what it do though. I gotta figure these wires out. Finally got it on there. My goodness. Let's button everything up. Wires together. Make sure everything works. All the lights work. Make sure the blinkers work. Yep. Everybody work. All the wires is done. Let's put the seat and all that back on there. The sissy bar, the luggage rack. We're gonna get a final look. And there she is.